everybody, thanks so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to go over how to add in time off as a guide. First step here is you'll want to be in the Schedule tab. The Schedule tab is going to be a calendar view of all of your time off and all of your bookings. To add in time off, go ahead and select New Event in the top right-hand corner. From here, you can select Employee Time Off. Once you are on this page, you can go ahead and select your name on the far left-hand side. From here, you can enter in a title. You can write off or time off, or if you want to be more specific, let's say you have a wedding, you can type in that title. From here, you can enter in a single day, or you could do a block of days. So let's say I need the weekend off. You can either select all day event or you can adjust the start and end time as needed. Once you press save, you should find it on the calendar.